Hello friends, welcome to the Python course. So basically from today we will start the Python course, and in today's session I will start with the introduction to Python. So basically before starting the Python course I will tell you about myself. I am the instructor for this course, and let's start about my introduction. So myself Vikram, and I have done my MSc and in IT field, and then I have done my MTech from University of Mysore, and I'm gold medalist in MTech. And basically, like after that, I have like total of 5 years of experience in the industry experience, basically in Python totally. In backend development, and currently like I'm working with Ribbon Communication in Bangalore location. So this is my introduction and about the course introduction. So let's start with the course introduction. So basically, this is the beginners basic level course, and here I will teach you about some introduction to Python, like what is Python, why we are learning Python, why the Python is differ from other languages, and all those things. Some advantages of Python, I will tell you what is the comparison between the Python and the other programming language, why the Python is preferable programming language in comparison with Java and C++, and what is the output statement, and what is the input statement, and what is the single line, multi-line comment. So basically everything I will tell you in this particular course: function, data structures, string, looping, operators, everything I will cover regarding that. So don't worry about the topics. I will cover everything for the basic and the beginners level course. Okay, so let's start with the Python course. Okay, so for in this particular session I will just introduce this Python programming language. So as you already know that Python is a, programming language, and this is the like most demanding programming language in today's world, and it was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 91. So basically it is used for web development and the software development, the mathematics side means like for developing any mathematical tool or any software or system scripting languages. And actually why we are using the Python language, uh, because it's a like basically it can be used in Linux platform, it can be used in Mac operating system, or the Python is a simple in the syntax wise it is very simple. I will just show you one small syntax in Python. Basically, like suppose I will just start with the print statement, and I have just mentioned my name here. I will just right click and run my program. You can just see the output. This is a single one line program, and you can just check out the output. My name is printing on the output screen. So basically if you are writing the same to print your name on the output screen with the help of Java programming language, then at least one class should be needed, and in the same for the C++ also. One class is not be compulsory in the C++, but definitely one header or two header files will be there, or the namespace you can just mention in the C++. And the C language also one function will be needed for the main function. But in Python language, no main function, no class needed, simple directly we have just mentioned with the print statement, and you can just see the output. So basically, the Python has the syntax is very easy, so that the developers has like follow these simple instructions, and this is very helpful for the future purpose also. And Python runs on interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. So basically, and syntax is very easy, and or we can say in different terms like the code is very short here basically. So that is very important point according to the Python. So what can Python do? So let's start with what can Python do. Python can be used on server to create web applications. Basically, I already told you that the Python can be used for the web development. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows also. Example, like we can just say that the Python can be used to create any type of software or any type of app also we can use with the help of Python programming language. And to handle the big data also, the Python can be used for the data analysis, data cleaning, in the data science. So basically everywhere the Python it can be useful. So that's why the Python is currently the most demanding programming language. So if anybody learn and look into the future for in the Python programming language, then the Python is the most demanding and the most bright future for this particular programming language. So that's it for the introduction to Python. And if I'm talking about some advantages with Python, I will just cover in the next session. Okay, so see you in the next one. We will just cover about the some advantages with the Python and the comparison with the other programming language. So see you in the next one. Thank you so much.